That's not the box. Oh yeah, it is the box cutter. Oh snap! This is gonna be a rare unboxing because I'm never usually home when my packages come. Of something that I just got today from oh Kit. All right, got my pink box cutter. I don't know why she gave me a pink box cutter, but go in, box cutter. Open it. You can do it. You can do it, Nikki. Wow. You can do it, Nikki. I'm watching Alice in Wonderland. Go figure. I don't know what the hell that is. Oh, might cut myself. And these, ladies and gentlemen, are the, let's see. I already know what they are. They're the Brooklyn Bridges. From the Christmas sale. Whoop whoop! Got it! I should add this to my list. I need better lighting. This shoe is ill. Can't wait to put this joint on. No, I'm not gonna call you. You call me. Alright, happy people. I'm just about to roll out to do another video.